Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Feel free to subscribe, feel free to share to your friends and anyone who is interested in crocheting. So on today's lesson or tutorial, I'm gonna take you through how to make a magic circle. Maybe you've heard it before. This is going to be a very simple tutorial. I'm using a 3.5 mm hook and then a very soft cotton yarn. Sit back and relax and enjoy. So for this magic circle, we can use it for hearts, we can use it for baskets, we can actually use magic circle for lots of things. So this is going to be a base for many things, and as we go through, as you stay through my channels, I'm going to teach you how to progress with the magic circle, what you can do with the magic circle. As you can see, that's how simple it is. You just pull it through and that's it. Your magic circle is neatly done. See you in my next video. Feel free to ask any questions. Subscribe to my channel. So that's it. You just make a slip stitch and then your magic circle is neatly secured here. That's it. That's a cute magic circle, and this is going to be our base for lots of things. Sit by, stay tuned, and hit the notification button for new videos. I'll see you in my